everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chris, so if you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel. Today you guys, I'm going to show you how I get my curls. If you want to continue to see that, then keep on watching. If you haven't already, if you want to, no pressure. You can click the subscribe button and the bell button so you know when I come out with more videos. So the first thing I do is I actually wash my hair. Now in terms of what type of shampoos or conditioners I use Tresemme, I've used Dove, I've used a bunch of different ones. One of my favorites though is Tresemme. One of my favorites by Tresemme has Moroccan Argan Oil. Argan oil in general is usually the ones that I gravitate for. It makes my hair so soft and so silky smooth, and that's exactly what this one does. It is touchable softness for dry or brittle hair, which is exactly what I have sometimes. Also, another fact about me is that I do not wash my hair 3, 4, 5 times a week. I wash my hair once or twice a week. My hair actually got a lot stronger when I stopped washing it every single day, because I used to do that and my hair would break. I would come out the showers with, I kid you not, clumps of hair in my hand after washing it, and it was really bad. The moment I decided to stop washing my hair every single day, my hair got stronger and it was healthier and it was just not breaking as much. So that's why I made the decision. Now, I'm not telling you to go ahead and do that. You do whatever you feel is comfortable, but in my opinion, I don't think that you should be washing your hair every single day. I mean, it really does depend on what you do every day, so totally up to you. I just prefer not to wash my hair every day. But when I do, I use the Tresemme shampoo. And of course, I do use the Tresemme conditioner. Now, of course, this is not sponsored, by the way. It's just what I like. This is what I use. I use the anti-breakage one because, as I said before, my hair broke a lot. So when I switched over to anti-breakage, I did see a difference in the amount of hair that I would see in my hand when I was out of the shower. So I do love this one a lot. This one comes with vitamin B12 and it's for hair that is prone to breakage or split ends. So I do love this one. As you can see, I've loved it a lot. It's all the way down here because I use it often. So this is how my hair looks, you guys, when I don't wash it in like 2 days. It's like so dry and brittle. Oh my god. This is my hair. Yeah. I'm going to go ahead and take this bad boy and I'm going to wash it with the shampoo and the conditioner that I just talked about. And then I'm going to come back and show you guys the rest of my steps of what I do to get my hair to be all curly for the rest of the day. Alright guys, I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I went ahead and I washed my hair, I put the conditioner, I rinsed that out, and I detangled it. Now I do want to mention also that when it comes to washing my hair, I wash my hair maybe like once, rinse it out, twice, rinse it out. And then when I put the conditioner, I put it on and I leave it in there for a little bit. Maybe like 5 to 10 minutes before rinsing it out. I say that because there are some people who just put the conditioner in and then they rinse it right out. It's not really doing much. Like, you want to let it sit for a little bit and then rinse it out and it's going to come out so smooth. Now here's the part that most people don't know that I do. I go back to the conditioner and I put it in and I leave it in. So that's my secret. That's what I do. Now most of the time, to be honest, I use the Chi Argan Oil conditioner, but I ran out and I have to go get some and I keep forgetting to go get it every time I go out. But I still use any conditioner. Tresemme is great. It still works the same, but the Chi Argan Oil conditioner, if you see that one, I would definitely recommend that one. I always get it at TJ Maxx or Marshalls, things like that. It's cheaper there and it's just amazing. It smells great too. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some of this in my hair, and then you guys are gonna see how it just maintains my curls after it dries. So time for a speed through. Okay guys, so I'm already done. I put the conditioner all over my hair. Now I hope you guys watched that speed through. Even though it's a speed through, the things that I did in there are pretty important to why the curls end up being so curly and defined. When I put the conditioner in my hair to leave in for the remainder of the day, which I do, by the way, rinse out at the end of the day. When I put the conditioner in my hair, I do run my fingers through it to make sure a lot of the strands are getting the conditioner. I make sure that everywhere on my scalp there is conditioner and every tip has conditioner. So that's why I run it through every side, from this side to this side, forward, back, you name it. There is conditioner everywhere now. Another thing that I would suggest is already putting the part where you want it to be, because when the conditioner dries down, it's gonna keep that shape that you want, which is really nice, because then it's like you don't have to use the spray, and I don't really like using spray on my hair. I just like to use conditioner. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and do some other stuff, and I'll be back to show you guys how it looks when it's all dried down.
Hello everybody, welcome to Quizmo Beauty. So beautiful. Mwah.
Okay guys, well, it's all done dried. These are my curls. They're gonna be super curly for a while. But yeah, that's how I keep my curls. That's my secret. I leave in the actual conditioner. You can also do it with leave-in conditioner, but I find that it actually works better with conditioner. Like, it just keeps the shape so much better. So that's my trick. I don't like to spend too much money, so I just use what I have. But yeah, let me know your thoughts down below. Let me know if you have any secrets of your own on how to like keep your hair nice and curly all day and fresh. Leave it all down below, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye.